LAMPHEL DC LAMBIDA LEIBA Chamagani Fumdo Shuba CRPF ki Kunithoi Shuba Rising Day Thouram Ngasi Battalion Asigi campus the Pangthokkhre Rising Day ki Thouram aduga mari lainana Battalion Asigi commandant Rabinder Sarmana luchingduna campus asta LEIBA site stal da laikatuna Battalion Asigi line of duty de thawai katkraba personal singi mafam de ikai khomnaba utke sak parrot adu loiraba matung da Battalion Asigi commandant CRPF ki firalda salami piraba matung da sainik samelan lising ani kunmanga hudokduna Battalion Asigi personal sing the rising dega mari lainana wafam kya thamki tugda commandant na melam suriban kaktuna hogdoki ngasi ki thorama tuka mari lainana commandant Rabinder Sarmana hai chamaga ni form de Shuba Crpf battalion gi rising day asiga mari lainana blood donation camp nupi singi oiba sports cleanliness program na chingba thoram kya Pangthokkhre hauzik lamda masta thokliba irang aste CRPF na law and order maintain tawduna thambada achoba thodang lauduna lakli chingamadi tammani ki mafam kya da CRPF na anti social elements singi mayokta aset pa phirep amaga loinena operation kya chathari state asigi miyam gi pukchak lambi oriba national highway sing the CRPF na security piduna miyam gi hingbada tangai fadana changba potlam sing pusilakli irangas na sokalaba lamdam asigi miyam da CRPF na ngamjaba pumna makhona duna lamdam sta tangdu lai taba hanjelak na ba thamoi sengna hotnari haina mahakna phongdoke.
We are celebrating many functions. For the last 1 week, we have been doing several activities. We have done blood donation camps. We have played many games for the women, for our men. We have undertaken certain festivals like ultra fit competitions and some gluten festival also. Since this area in which we are deployed is war torn between the two communities, for this sake we are deployed on NH37 and we are taking care of all the communities which are coming to the Imphal state. We have been at Churacharpun also, we have been going to Senapati also, and when we are running our convoys to NH2 also, for maintaining our supplies as well as the state supply also.